everybody, this is me, Selena. I have this sticky slime right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it into here, which I have. Wait, hold on. This I can't remember where it was. This water I'm about to fill up. Water. I got the water. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour it in there. There's a sticky slime right here. I don't care. Just gonna pour it in, kind of all of it, or if you don't, I just pour it in a little, and then the sticky slime is just gonna come out, and then oh my god, oh god, oh god, oh god! It's just gonna stay there, and then I'm gonna just play with it. Really, I'm making a mess right now. This is the sticky slime. This is like real sticky. And my mom's like sleeping right now. It's like, I can't remember. It's like 8 something in the morning. And I'm just playing with slime and she doesn't know. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour this back in here. Make sure it doesn't get anywhere. Just I put it back in there. I wait the next few days. I'll get you guys back on. But what I want to play is comment below if you want me to play the Evil Nun. Just letting you know. Here's the slime that I picked up. What I'm just gonna do is I'm just gonna put it in there and leave it. Look at my hands. All because of this sticky slime. All because of you. Well, guys, I'm gonna show you. If you guys comment down below, you'll win a new book bag for free, and you get a phone call with me on the phone. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.